Today my group and I will be presenting about rocks, and we'll be focusing on hematite, schist and graphite. We'll move on to the next speaker.
First of all, I will talk about hematite schist. Hematite schist is a laminated metamorphosed oxide facies iron formation with a chemical composition of iron oxide. It is a common rock-forming mineral found in sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rock at locations throughout the world. The mineral is used to produce pigments, preparation for heavy media separation, radiation shielding, ballast, and many other products. And for the graphite, graphite is a naturally occurring form of crystalline carbon, which is a native element mineral found in metamorphic and igneous rock. The characteristic is extremely soft, cleaves with very light pressure, and has a very low specific gravity. And graphite is extremely resistant to heat and nearly inert in contact with almost any other materials. And the properties itself give us a wide range of uses in metallurgy and manufacturing. Okay, next speaker.
Okay, I'll be talking about the mechanism of hematite schist. So hematite is found as a primary mineral, and it can be found in three different categories, which is igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. So how it is formed is due to the crystallization during the differentiation of a magma or precipitate from hydrothermal fluids moving through a rock mass. It can also be found during contact metamorphism when hot magmas react with adjacent rocks. For graphite, it is a mineral that forms when carbon is subjected to high heat and high pressure due to organic-rich shales and limestones that are seen on the Earth's surfaces. With that being said, it produces marble, schist, and gneiss that contains tiny crystals and flakes of graphite. So I'll move on to the next speaker.
Okay, for the formation process of hematite schist, it is a type of metamorphic or sedimentary type of hematite. It is formed around 1.8 to 2.4 billion years ago by photosynthetic bacteria, which produces oxygen, and the oxygen reacts with the iron in the seabed, forming hematite. So due to geological activities and like volcano or maybe earthquakes, the seabed converges and then causing the hematite to be exposed to high heat and high pressure, thus forming into schist. So I'll move on to the next speaker.
So this is the formation process of graphite. Most of the graphite will form at convergent plate boundaries. Graphite forms from subduction and regional metamorphism or contact metamorphism of carbon-rich sedimentary rocks. Regional metamorphism occurs in large scale where carbon-rich rocks undergo deep barrier and heating underground. Contact metamorphism occurs when these rocks directly contact with magma. Ground heat will remove the hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen from these rocks to leave mostly carbon, which then form graphite. High pressure and heat are needed to produce graphite. Coal seams are formed by dead or decaying organic matters which are buried underground, and some graphite forms from the metamorphism of coal seams. Move on to the next speaker, please.
Now I will explain the different texture between graphite and hematite schist. For hematite schist, it is a type of rock that rich with iron oxide. It has various appearance from earthy to submetallic to metallic. Because of the appearance of iron oxide, it has a color range from red to brown, but also black to grey to silver. Hematite also occur in many forms including massive, crystalline, micaceous, botryoidal, fibrous, and oolitic. For graphite, it is a crystalline form of carbon. Graphite is extremely soft and will cleave with very little pressure. Graphite also has low specific gravity, and because of the carbon content, it will convert into diamond on high pressure and temperature. That's all from us. Thank you very much.